A1 was standing at the three-point line, cashing out.
What's happening, man?
Hey, your console, you're gonna have to get that sucker redone.
Yeah.
Once you put it all back together, my guys, when you put that sucker back in it, because I don't know if it's the carpet or whatever, it's too thick, you just split it right back up.
That's probably why it split on me.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll just have to get it redone. So it didn't work out the piece and stuff that he made and everything.
Because he put everything back together, but when we try to put it back on there, it split it right back up. We got to put it up under the dash. And once we did that, that sucker, whoop,
Dang.
it opened up.
Okay.
My bad, man.
It's all
So I
good.
still got to get that rear deck and shit. I still got it over there.
Okay. Got it cleaned up.
Yeah, I knew it. I was like, let me tell him he's out in the sun. I bet you don't worry about it.
Yeah, I wasn't doing this. We was sitting back drinking some cold ones, man. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Look good, man. Yeah. You got the key in there?
I got the keys.
Oh, okay. Let's fire it up.
Okay, so these two right here, for your door and your trunk.
Yeah.
These right here is for your ignition.
Okay.
Why they all look the same.
Yeah, they all look the same.
That's
Wait,
what-
so this one for the ignition right here. Let's see. Exactly.